everybody, it's the Dustin Number Special. That's Zach in the background, and he is plasma cutting one of the brackets that's going to go on for a unit that we're doing a bunch of frame cracks on. And so he's having to customize the bracket in order to make it work around something on there, probably a slide out bracket or something else that's in the way. In this particular unit, it's actually on a 2015 Grand Design Reflection. I'll come out here and show it to you. It's raining here today in lovely Lodi, California. So this reflection that came in, and you can see that the guys, again, it's sprinkling and raining out here. They've got their tent set up, where they're cleaning up and doing their prepping and their welding on both sides. And this unit came in and it had what started out with 4 frame cracks, which, you know, thank goodness Grand Design went ahead and approved it. And then as we were starting to do the repairs, we stumbled on a bunch of stuff. We stumbled on, you know, hey, took off the tires to find out that we spun the wheels, and found out that there was something floating around in one of the brake drums, which ended up being, you know, all the shoes and seals had failed and became saturated and, you know, contaminated all the brake shoes. We found springs that were fanning out. We found U-bolts that were not the correct length, that were short, that were just barely coming out of the bolts. We found that the old style equalizer were all worn out and shot. We can't even put any bushings in it and failing. We found that they had double shackle links on there, and those were already getting worn and causing damage to the actual leaf spring hanger, as well as the leaf spring hanger was damaged because of that wallering out inside of it. So a bunch of different stuff. So anyway, stay tuned for more. Luckily, Grand Design, you know, this is a 11-year-old unit, and they went ahead and covered this under the, you know, I guess you'd call it goodwill, or under the frame warranty that they're extending because of the I-beam cracks. And nor us nor them had any clue that this unit was going to have over 10 cracks in it. So, and that's, again, Zach in the background getting those brackets ready as he's working on it. So stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, your RV specialist. Have a great day.